Have you heard about the term crowdsourcing? Crowdsourcing is the process of connecting with a larger group of people via the internet to tap their knowledge, expertise, and resources. Who is the king of crowdsourcing? The term crowdsourcing was coined by Howe in 2006 while he was working at Wired magazine, but crowdsourcing goes all the way back to the 1700s. Even before the age of the internet and crowdsourcing, people used to work in groups and collaborate. Let's go back in time for a while. In 1714, the British government offered a reward to anyone who came up with a method to determine a ship's longitude. Also, in 1884, a group of scholars created the first Oxford Dictionary. It seemed like an impossible task until various experts volunteered to write about different topics according to their expertise. What is the present scenario? The web-based crowdsourcing efforts today include voting, funding, creative sourcing, mobile crowdsourcing, data collection, talent searching, and microwork. The most prevalent forms of crowdsourcing are crowdfunding, where people can raise capital from the people who believe in their ventures, ideas, and beliefs, such as Kickstarter and Indiegogo. Mobile crowdsourcing is an activity that takes place on a smartphone or other portable devices, where data is collected from the crowd for a better user experience. Apps such as Google Maps, Waze, Uber, and Lyft use this data collection method. Creative outsourcing is when customers can select the best design for a website, logo, or graphic from a pool of submitted entries. The selected designer would then get the payment. Some examples are Fiverr and 99 Designs. What are the upsides to crowdsourcing? Crowdsourcing can be used by companies, the government, nonprofit groups, or individuals for whatever need they may have. There are 4 advantages of crowdsourcing. First, it allows you to access large online labor forces, where you can select the workers, or you can just post the work and let the worker find you. Second, it allows you to ask the crowd to find a solution. Third, it allows you to find and organize available knowledge. And finally, you can get feedback, opinions, and ideas from the crowd. What about the downsides? Of course, crowdsourcing has some drawbacks. First, there is no guarantee that the results are credible. Second, the manager could waste time managing a large scale of outsourced workers. And finally, it is not always easy for crowd members to collaborate on a project. Will the crowdsourcing make our life better? What do you think? Please leave a comment. Thank you for patiently watching the video, but for real, I hope you did learn something.